Now that we've installed our Arduino IDE and we've done the basic introduction to it, we'll move to Arduino board to introduce us to the basic or the common Arduino boards. The first one is Arduino Mega, which comes with a large number of pins, both analog and digital pins. The second one is Arduino Nano, which comes with a relatively smaller pins. The pins of Arduino Mega is more than Arduino Nano pins. The third one is Arduino Uno, which is the one that we will be using most time in this tutorial. In the next section, I will explain what this digital and analog pins means. We have digital pins by the right, starting from pin 0 to pin 13. That means we have 14 digital pins. And we have analog pins by the left, from A0 to A5. All these pins have their own usefulness and will be explained in the next section. This button is reset button, assuming that your code or your program is already running and you want to restart it, you want to reset it, you press this button. This is the port. This is the port where you connect your Arduino, your adapter to the Arduino. So like 12-volt adapter, the photoregulator will regulate it to a voltage that can be used by the board. It will regulate it to 5 volts. This is not the only way or the only place to apply voltage to your board. So you can also use a jumper to apply voltage to the board through VIN. Try to let the voltage that you'll be applying to this pin to not let it not to be more than try to let it to be more than 5 volts. Let it be more than 5 volts, because it will pass through a photoregulator and the photoregulator will regulate it back to 5 volts. Assuming the voltage is already 5 volts, it will be reduced. That means it will be smaller than 5 volts. So that means the voltage that will come out or get to the microcontroller will not be up to 5 volts anymore. GND are negative, let's call it negative terminal. We have 3 of it on this board. 1, 2, 3. Now the next one, they are all the same. So the next one is 5 volts pin. Assuming you're using a module that requires a 5 volts pin, a 5 volt supply, you get the supply from this pin. Provided that the module the module doesn't require a large amount of current. If you need 3 volts, you get it from here. All these things will be explained. All these things will be explained in the next section. This is where you connect your ports, your Arduino to the system for programming. You connect to the PC for programming through this board, through these ports. If you buy the Arduino board, you will be given, or the board, let me say the board will come with the cable that you'll be using to connect it to the system.